Hello everyone, and thank you for the opportunity. I am Pedro Rezende, CEO of OWL, which stands for Our Watch Leads, a startup that is using satellite Earth observation technology as well as predictive algorithms to create products and services for the construction, real estate and smart city sectors. More specifically, we are creating an online store where architects, engineers, builders or developers can remotely purchase characterizations and recommendations about the sites where they are working. Smart cities need smart diagnostics, and we believe that by democratizing the access to satellite Earth observation, more businesses will achieve sustainability in construction and in property acquisition. Our team's history starts at 2019 Portugal Space Summer School. Promoted by IPN, this event formed the networking needed by the promoters, allowing an architect and an aeronautical engineer to join forces in the creation of OWL. Now, our work and products are being rewarded as shown in our victory in the Act in Space Hackathon in Portugal, or the Meta Building Seed voucher that we received, but especially by the early adopters' feedback and by being a part of the European Space Agency Business Incubation Center here at the Instituto Pedro Nunes. The team is also expected to grow to 7 people in 2021, the first year of the company's activity. As an example of one of OWL's products, the Good to Build plan, the intervention site is assessed, locating the areas with more biodiversity, land deformations and waterways, allowing architects and engineers to design their buildings in a way that avoids the artificialization of these zones, which simultaneously protects the environment and saves money in the building's foundations and imperviousness. Or from the real estate point of view, starting in the upstream property acquisition, the company's satellite Earth observation products can detect if a property is good for construction or for a specific type of operation even before the promoters buys the land. By assessing a temporal series and applying predictive algorithms, it is also possible to see the urban evolution of a given site and determine current and future real estate evaluation. Nowadays, to start a construction process or a real estate investment, the target customers are struggling to find all the scattered information. This is a big issue, especially for companies with international operations that have high costs in traveling and research to attain the information considered necessary to make a work ruled by good practices. On the opposite side, our diagnostic tools derive from satellite remote sensing data processed in Python, assessing several square kilometers in simultaneous with higher velocity and more pertinent concrete data when compared to in situ traditional methods such as topographic surveys. These advantages will increase following the growing tendencies for remote work or in periods when the mobility is conditioned. OWL is starting implementation in Angola and in Portugal, and the goals are to increase sales orders in these markets, and then to export to other Portuguese-speaking countries and to other European countries. OWL's products and e-store are designed with B2B focus, allowing for other businesses to increase their technical and commercial reach to international sites previously considered too remote or too expensive to explore with the traditional research and surveys method. The deep digital character of the operation makes it possible to sell the same product online to various customers, since the satellite data are achieved and sold remotely and cover several properties in simultaneous, and the processing of data is automatized in Python. These characteristics makes our operation to have a strong scalability potential and are aligned with the regional scope of increasing exportations and reinforcing commercial relations with the Portuguese-speaking countries and the European Union. Our Watch Leads is about the vision that leads the development of smarter cities, greener buildings and neighborhoods. But it is not a vision that belongs solely to OWL as a company. It is a vision shared between OWL and its suppliers, clients and partners. So contact us. Let's build this leadership together.